In this video, we are going to write the expression as a complex number in standard form. To review what that means, a complex number can be written in the form of a plus bi, where this is called the real part, and this is called the imaginary part. A is the real part, b is the imaginary part, I is the imaginary number, where I is equal to the square root of -1. So this is standard form. This is the way we want it to look with the real part written first, plus or minus the imaginary part times I. Let's go ahead and look at some examples here. These are all instructor created questions, so you will not be able to find these exact problems in the textbook with these instructions. 6 plus the square root of a -81. So we'll leave that 6 alone as our real part. I'm going to break this down into the square root of 81 times the square root of -1. It's going to give us 6 plus 9i, and that's in our standard form that we were just talking about. There we go. 6 plus 9i. The next example here is a -4 minus a root -108. And leave that -4 alone, minus, and then we have root 108 times root -1. 108 is going to be times 27, which is 9 times 3. So this is 36 is 6. Root 3 I. And so -4 minus 6 root 3 I is our standard form. I hope you can see that this is setting you up for the fact that sometimes you would have the quadratic formula where you get a negative inside the square root sign, and you're going to end up with answers that need to be written in standard form of a plus bi, where you have a real part and you have an imaginary part, where you get answers from the quadratic formula that are complex. So that's where we're going with this eventually, is to find all answers to a quadratic equation, not just our real solutions, but our complex solutions as well. All right, that's it for this video. Come back next time and we will talk about how to add complex numbers and subtract complex numbers.